Hello, my dear kids, children, students, learners, and friends. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with the sound of vowels. Sound of vowels. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Vowel letters of English alphabet. Sound, I have taken here vowel letter I. Here I, but sound of I in these words, sound of I is I. Okay? A short sound, short vowel. I. Examples now have been given here. Its words have been written here. I am going to read it out. I am going to spell these words out. Okay? P-I-N. P-I-N. Pin. B-I-N. Bin. W-I-N. Bin. Win. J-I-P. Jip. L-I-P. Lip. H-I-P. Hip. B-I-A-L-L. Bill. H-I-L-L. Hill. M-I-L-L. Mill. L-I-D. Lid. K-I-D. Kid. B-I-D. Bit. B-I-G. Big. F-I-G. Fig. W-I-G. Wig. So here you see, you find that I now very short, I. So I, capital letter, script I, small letter, script I, sound symbol, it is sound symbol I. This is now sound symbol of I. I. In Hindi, Harashva E. Okay, so here you find, what do you find? I short, short sound. Here in every word you may find. Yes, dear, now practice, dear little kids or children, practice these words. Likely so many words you may practice for your improving now pronunciation, improving or enriching vocabulary. Okay, dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.